Vita A Combi 1. A revolutionary patented anti-aging treatment moisturizer, Vita A Combi 1 assists in normalizing and detoxifying the skin while diminishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This patented stabilized oxygen moisturizer delivers both water and oxygen under the dermis, making it the only moisturizer available on the market today that's both hydrating and normalizing. Vita A Combi 1 is formulated with 1% oxygen and vitamins A and E. Upon contact with the skin, destabilized oxygen gas is released and converted into 2 molecules of water and 1 molecule of oxygen. This chemical conversion creates a micro-massage effect, flushing out built-up debris and toxins that line the walls of the capillaries. By allowing nutrients to be efficiently absorbed through the capillary walls, Vita A Combi 1 boosts the skin's own natural replenishment and recovery mechanisms to work more effectively, to accelerate cell regeneration, diminish lines and wrinkles, minimize pores, and neutralize bacteria and surface breakouts. Vita A Combi 1 is suitable for all skin types. Since it recalibrates overall skin function and targets a variety of skin conditions, Vita A Combi is suitable for any skin type, including sensitive skin. Use Vita A Combi 1 morning and night. Apply to the face and neck and let absorb into the skin without massaging. For new users, apply a few drops of Vita A Combi facial oil to the face before using Vita A Combi cream, otherwise it'll be absorbed too quickly. For dry skin, during the 2 first months of treatment, apply additional sweet cream on top of the Vita A Combi 1. Avoid contact with eyebrows and hairline, as this product may lighten hair over time. In case of contact with eyes, rinse immediately with water.